there was a very pious, saintly Ahmadi in Sindh who was father to Mr. Basharat Bashir Sindhi, who has been Naib to chief for some time, now is working in some other department. Now his wife suffered from cancer of the uterus. And when the doctors told him that there is completely no chance of any recovery whatsoever, and his wife would die within a specified period of say 7 to 10 days, then he concentrated more on prayer, and once at night when he was praying and crying bitterly before Allah, he suddenly saw a vision. And in that vision, Suchi Booti appeared before him and talked to him and said, "I am the cure for your life." After the vision, he went out.
Was cancer in those days diagnosed?
Of course, it's not very long ago that I'm talking about. Well, I think about 15 years or 10 years between the two. It was very much diagnosable, and radiation departments were fully active in treatment of cancer everywhere in the world. So not very far away in the recent history. So when that happened, he went out, and the name of this Booti in Sindh is something like Damaho or something of that nature. So he went for that, and as he thought best, he started making a portion out of it and started giving the wife 3 times a day, as is the normal practice. So after 10 days, instead of dying, she had recouped so miraculously that the doctors couldn't believe that it was the same patient. So from then, people started learning of this and trying it on other patients. For the first time, in Noor Hospital, which is now called Hospital, this was experimented by my elder brother, Dr. Khudam, on many patients. And the incidence of cure was reasonably high, and they just could not ignore this. So he reported the matter to the United Nations Department of Cancer Research, and they also bought some Suchi Booti from us. I don't know how far they have reached in their research. But in Pakistan, we have enough evidence of its usefulness and effectivity. But whether it is useful in all sorts of cancer, this is a debatable point. This has to be investigated further. In my opinion, in the bone cancer, for example, or in throat cancer, in some other tumors, it's not useful. But the type of tissue which uterus has, or uterus is made of, that generally responds to it. If it cannot cure, it alleviates the disease to a great degree.
So, some cure also thinking.
Some
cure also thinking. ये 3 चीजों के लिए इलाज है, 3 किस्म के कैंसर।
3 किस्म के कैंसर का आपके नजदीक?
नहीं, आपके
नहीं, मैंने तो ये नहीं कहा। मैंने कहा as far as I know, it is only useful in one cancer, which the cancer which is similar to the cancer of uterus, and the tissue which is similar to uterus responds to this. I have only said that. As far as other cancers are concerned, I am not sure. At least I was not encouraged by the results. I have also had it used on many patients. One can say that it is quite palliative in most cases. Of cancer again of the tissue, like the tissue of uterus, not in bone cancer. In bone cancer, some homeopathic medicines are much better and more effective than this one. Yes, yes.